How do I permanently reset the time zone in Debian? DreamHost seems to think that we like PDT, despite being in the Midwest. How do I change the time zone?
A tool I found to be easier to use is dpkg reconfigure. Use. You will be given a multitude of choices, including some that are not included in select.
This is presumably a bit late for the op, and more intended for other searchers who arrive here. If you need a non-interactive solution, try the solution from changing time zone with dpkg reconfigures data and debprompt set selections. You can figure out your time zone by poking around in /user/share/zoneinfo. In fact, the dpkg reconfigure command above copies the appropriate file from there to /etc/local time. I used to just do that manually, and it seems to work fine. Don't be too surprised if long-running processes don't pick up the change. E.g. Apache log timestamps come to mind. Consider whether that matters, and hence whether you need to restart running processes or even reboot.
To edit it non-interactively on recent Debian and Ubuntu versions, stretch/xenial etc., you need to remove /etc/localtime as well, otherwise /etc/timezone will be overwritten. This answer is based on MC0E answer. I cannot add a comment with my reputation.
TL, drive, where etc/UTC is your preferred time zone you found using select. Longer version. When you're using the time zone information is not kept after reboot. You can verify your settings with If you're only updating /etc/timezone, the update won't be consistent with /etc/localtime, thus it's better to execute. Use select to find out which time zones actually exists, or simply browse /user/share/zoneinfo directory. In POSIX systems the TZ should take precedence before /etc/localtime. Using directly TZ can save you many system calls as frequently used date/time related functions has to access file system each time some program asks for current date. It's a micro optimization, but quite simple one.